One name, two syllables, the sickest individual. Tim Scott in the spot, consider him a criminal. The sickest dude out, more than anybody visible. I get cake, but all you wage is minimal. Still hate your life and you still wanna change it. Your chick wanna die, we can make that arrangement. A loose cannon, leave you laying on the pavement. This is real talk, I'm just making that statement. A new personality, your people can't break it. The same old flow, but it just took a facelift. Shit. Hell, let's face it, when it comes to white boys, I'm everybody's favorite. They loving my flow, so they look in amazement. They want it so bad that they copy and paste it. My flow so sharp that you cut with abrasions. You're wasting my time, but I ain't got the patience. I'm too nice, even haters can't hate this. They flow generic and our shit is makeshift. Dudes is fake with the flags that they waving. Getting mad at me cause my life's their vacation. Seems like I'm stuck in the matrix. My mind only set on this money that I'm chasing. You think you nice as me and you must be wasted. You listen to me and you listen to greatness. You're still trying to find this crazy Caucasian. Just look at the arm, you will see where my state is.